Alright, take two. So I'm Sleeper Barbecue from St. Mary's County, Maryland. Used to be a barbecuer, got out of it because I got tired of burning up meat, drying out meat. And I went to an event one day, and a Second Amendment event to be exact. And a guy there was cooking this brisket, and it was just out of this world. And I told him, that I used to do stuff, but I got out of it. And he says, man, you ought to check out this guy named Smoky Ribs Barbecue. He's on YouTube. So most of you that know something of me know this is sort of kind of my story. It was Russ that actually got me back into barbecuing. Not him personally, but his videos and just the way he explains things. It was I was able to to understand it and start doing things, changing things, tweaking things, and I think I'm pretty good at it now. There's one thing Russ does in Mississippi that we don't do in Southern Maryland, and that's boil crabs, boil seafood. I haven't given it an honest try, the boiling method. I have tried it, but not like Russ does. He puts all those flavors in there with his flavor packs and seasoning packs and stuff, where I just, when I tried it, it was just, I can't remember what it was. It was a boil bag or something of seasoning. You just dump one bag in there, boil the crabs, and be done with them. But today, Mr. Jones, I'm going to show you how I do it here in Southern Maryland, and we're going to steam our crabs. So eat your heart out, buddy, and thank you. So as you may notice, I don't have a big old fancy cooker. This is just an old beer keg that I took to the Amish people local here and had them actually cut it up, cut it open, and cut some grates for the bottom of it to keep the crabs out of the water. Put a ring around the lid so I could put the so the lid will fit back over the bottom half, and I can steam with it. So right now we've got maybe a gallon and a half of water inside of there. So here I've got some JoJo seasoning with the salt. So I've got everything in there, almost everything. And that seasoning, it'll mix together once you start boiling this water, but the most important thing is to make sure your water's not higher than your bottom grate. Otherwise, you're just going to be boiling the crabs. So this is just a steaming method. I normally try and put cheap beer. It's going to break my heart. I got to put my good Budweiser beer in here. 10-ounce Budweiser red heavies. So I'm going to put 2 of them in here. Hope you all can see this. Looks like I'm looking in the camera now and the sunlight's messing with my my camera view right now. I'm going to move the camera around for you some. There it comes around. Or we got it burning. Alright, let's give these crabs here a look at. And so we're only about 10 minutes in. Normally what I do is I'll check and flip them over. If you see that apron pucker on them, then that's the way I was told. That was a way to make sure they're done. So we're going to give these, you know, probably about another, I don't know, 5 minutes. And we'll bring it back here shortly. All right, we got to be done. One thing you don't want to do is overcook a crab. You start smelling something real funky, you done destroyed your crabs. Oh yeah, we're definitely done. We'll get these off. We're not going to eat right away. We're going to eat some, but what I'll do is I'll take and put this lid back on here, because I don't want them to continue to cook. So I'll put that lid on there and just keep it cocked open like that and allow that steam to get out of there, out of that pot, and they'll be good to go. Alright, that's it. We do thank you for watching. I'm Lance from Sleeper Barbecue from St. Mary's County, Maryland. Russ, check out the video, I hope. You know I look up to you, buddy. I follow your lead. But when it comes to crabs and seafood, I'm really thinking I prefer that steam method. But we'll give your boil method a good, honest try with all the flavors that you pack into them season packs and stuff. But I gotta see if I can find all that stuff first around here. Enough of the gabbing. I'm Lance, Sleeper Barbecue, St. Mary's County, Maryland. We're out. We thank you.